it's not simply the question of should she get treatment or not, and should she get treatment on the NHS or not. The first question, fundamentally the first question is, can we hear her voice? That's the first question. And is the fact that you disagree with your doctors sufficient to say that you lack mental capacity? Because this is a very worrying case. In this respect, it's a very worrying case. In not reporting it, it's quite common. But in saying, because you disagree with your doctors, therefore you actually don't have capacity even to disagree, that this is something new and something very worrying.
Can you explain why the judge has come to her judgment, do you think?
So the trust think that the young woman in question is wrong, and they've tried to persuade this young woman to think about what would be the options if things didn't work out. And she doesn't want to talk about that. She wants to talk hopefully about things. And so they've been frustrated in this way. She's somebody who's quite determined, and her family are quite determined to do as much as they can to give us the small chance, and I think honestly it is a small chance, but to give that small chance that something might help her. And because they've been so frustrated, they've gone to the court and they've said to the court, we can't talk sense to this girl, and therefore we want you to say that she hasn't got capacity, so we can then bypass her and then make a best interest decision on her behalf. So
I made a point in my monologue about the fact that if you are making a premeditated decision to deny someone the right to life, that is in its own way some form of murder. Would that be too strong for you?
No, I think it would be too strong, because lots of people want things from their doctors in the hope that it might help, and the doctors honestly don't think it will help, and doctors are not obliged to give what they don't think will help. And that might be that's part of the situation here. They honestly don't think it will help. She wants something. The fundamental problem here is it's all, as you say, in secret. It's all hidden. She can't go public about this. She can't decide that she wants to have private. I mean, this is the great heresy in this country. She can't have private medical treatment if the NHS decides they don't want to fund this. It's the NHS that don't want to fund this. That is a decision that we might want to make.